Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find CVC credit card number. If you want to find your CVC number on your credit card, don't worry, I'll explain exactly where to look and why it matters. Let's start with what a CVC number is. It stands for Card Verification Code, and it's the 3 or 4 digit number. Mostly it's only 3 digits, and this digital number is used to verify online or phone purchases. Think of it as an extra layer of security to protect your card. So where do you find it? If you're using a Visa, MasterCard or Discovered card, all you have to do is flip it over and check the back. You will see a 3-digit code printed near the signature strip. Now, if you have an American Express card, it's a little different. Instead of being on the back, the CVC is 4 digits and it's printed on the front of the card, usually above the card number. But what if you cannot find it? All you have to do is double check your card's detail carefully. If the numbers are worn out, you may need to contact your card issuer or request a replacement. Also keep in mind that CVC numbers are not stored digitally for security reasons. So even if you have access to your online account, you'll still need the physical card to find it. And one more tip. Never share your CVC code with anyone you do not trust. It is the key to preventing fraud and keeping your account secure. So next time you need your CVC number, just check the back. Or you can also check the front if it's Amex card or American Express, and you'll be good to go. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.